Fios box glitches can be incredibly frustrating, causing freezing, lag, and signal interruptions during your favorite shows. Understanding the root causes and knowing immediate fixes can save you hours of downtime. Fios box glitches typically manifest as screen freezing, audio and video lag, signal interruptions, and pixelated picture quality. These symptoms can occur suddenly and disrupt your viewing experience. 3 primary causes lead to most Fios box glitches. First, outdated equipment, especially models from 2018 or earlier, are more prone to hardware failures and software conflicts. Second, network congestion during peak usage hours, typically evenings and weekends, can overwhelm the system and cause performance issues. Third, weather-related outages can damage the fiber optic infrastructure, leading to signal disruptions and service interruptions. Fortunately, many Fios box issues can be resolved with 3 immediate troubleshooting steps that have a 60 to 70% success rate. The first and most effective fix is power cycling. Unplug your Fios box for 30 seconds, then reconnect the power cable and wait 2 to 3 minutes for a complete reboot. This resolves temporary memory issues and software glitches. Second, check all cable connections. Ensure coaxial cables are tightly connected, verify HDMI connections are secure, and inspect all cables for damage or wear. Loose connections are a common cause of signal issues. Third, reset your remote control. Remove the batteries for 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to discharge any residual power. Then reinstall the batteries and test functionality. These 3 immediate fixes successfully resolve 60 to 70% of Fios box glitches. By following these simple steps, you can transform a glitching, problematic box into a properly functioning entertainment system. If these immediate fixes don't resolve your Fios box issues, don't worry. Advanced troubleshooting techniques and preventive maintenance can address more persistent problems and keep your system running smoothly. When immediate fixes don't resolve your Fios box issues, advanced troubleshooting becomes necessary. The first advanced step is performing a factory reset, which can resolve deeper software conflicts and corrupted data. However, this is a drastic step that will completely erase all your custom settings, recorded programs, and personalized configurations. Make sure to note down any important settings before proceeding. Next, checking your signal strength is crucial for diagnosing connection issues. Navigate to Settings, then System Information, then Signal Strength to access these diagnostic tools. For optimal performance, your downstream levels should be between -10 and +10 dBmV, while upstream levels should be between 35 and 50 dBmV. If your readings fall outside these ranges, contact Verizon support. Keeping your Fios box software up to date is essential for optimal performance. Check your current software version and force updates when available through the System Settings menu. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Establish a regular maintenance schedule to keep your Fios system running smoothly and catch potential issues before they become problems. Environmental factors play a crucial role in equipment reliability. Proper ventilation and temperature control can prevent many common issues and extend the life of your Fios equipment. If problems persist after following all these troubleshooting steps, or if you observe physical damage to cables or equipment, it's time to contact Verizon Professional Support for advanced diagnostics and repair.